Good morning, YouTube. It's Ronnie. I'm here by myself today. I'm gonna rake this pasture. Today's Saturday, February 8th, I think. Um, I baled this pasture. I cut it Thursday. Let you know that I had problems with my Ford tractor. So that was Thursday, March or May 6th, June 6th, whatever day. Excuse me, whatever day it is. This is 2 days later. So I did have a problem with the Ford. I found out. I don't know if I have an oil cooler went out or did I have a head gasket blown. I'm gonna try to get hold of my mechanic to come look at it this morning. But I did buy something else. But I'm gonna put you a couple minutes of raking, and then I'll put you some baling, and then I'll show you what I got probably.